50 cents is around, man.
We're keeping the brand. Yeah,
No,
100.
we're keeping the brand, man. Oh, no problem,
Yeah,
man.
100.
Oh, no problem, man. Oh, why are you brave?
I love it.
Oh, nice one. You love it. Oh, wow.
Come on, push more, man.
Oh, wow. Oh, nice one. You young for baby. Better to school. I said, you're being for power. Very necessary. Hey, for one by one. Where would
Push more. Believe it.
Hey, Biggie. More helping hands. Oh, man. Remember, I see you go there. Hey! No, you're going to I want my help. Only the strongest survival. Boy, no, you may before I'm maintain me with everything.
Boy,
I say, hey,
boy. Mumra.
Are you calling me?
Mumra.
The boy should be so like, are you calling you?
Che, I just go up a party.
Boy, you're all rush pound. Hey, Jenny Day, get out there. John.
Nah,
No, more Jenny.
but not day. Cabbage na.
Hey, Benjamin Day.
Nah,
Boy, Brenday.
not day. Can't savage na. See, I told you to stand here. Why are you telling me to stand there? Get a guy. Cabbage na.
Jenny Day.
Savage na day.
You're money down.
I'm a partner. But not day. Cabbage na day.
Boy, I'll bet you with you.
Cabbage na.
No, you're not for that. Uncle, ever pan. Hey.
Why are you treating him like as if he's not a human being?
He looks like a punching. You're treating that punching. You can feel it. And I am for you. Why didn't you do one?
I will tell me called one. Bella. Or bow your bella.
Why would you come from man?
Hey, why all offense is out? Buttons you too. Hey, when you near you was scorpion.
Eh?
What's up with my pest?
Are you a gay?
But see, I'm following your footsteps. Because look at how you are dressed. What do you mean?
Boy, pa.
Sasha Illuminati ring.
Illuminate. Hey, are you an occult?
Boy, chow.
Kneel down.
Chow.
Who and who told you that? Huh?
Chow.
Are you a shareholder of this school?
Chow.
Stupid boy.
Be a chow.
Hey, don't
What is the matter?
try the
Chow.
Come on, must slap you too. Why do you need me?
You're moving in Tiana.
Hey, state boy, full of touching boy, I'm going to see
Now, Bishop phone is coming in.
Don't panic when the boys are
Watch out for Banglo, woman.
Hey, you're going to see me, don't panic when the boys are rush. One no rush. I don't go get two boys, what I blend do. It's a grand baby, we won't pull me.
By the time we are done with him, I'll be estate.
Do a state team will get to get and bounce at your girls. John,
Mamma, your boy is under arrest with Macaw.
Fiaco,
Please learn how to speak English, okay?
I'll catch up with
Come here.
Pab was a Jatan and Nasi Jatan as a boss will be on the cook.
I'll catch up with you, okay? Take care, okay?
you want a crown, oh, what wants ya? But with them, Jatan can in there, I'm only a boy, I similar. I believe me.
What do you mean?
No, your boats are fishing boats.
Mamma, one is soon.
Any less than 10 minutes for class.
And then what class? No, are you no man?
Love this shit, man.
You love this shit?
Believe it.
Oh wow!
You
You love this shit?
Yeah, let me tell you something. If what you are doing doesn't irritate me, you are doing nothing.
Also, until
also say imitation.
I'm not approve every hour.
You are doing nothing. 100.
I did that so. Wouldn't need it.
Yeah, Vance.
How are they?
Vance.
Never know me.
Lambeka.
Approve. Where from? My designer. I can't say one can be my son.
You say if what you are doing doesn't irritate me, you are doing nothing. 100.
Me, wow! 50 cents abaha. Tell me, you also on Saint More. Oh, I know you're saying good. A slate career.
I love this shit. 100.
Oh, you really?
We keep
Oh,
doing
nice
it.
one. I say, oh, nice one. No, then candidate over there, as your cement. I said, it's so good, though. John, it doesn't irritate you, right?
Do more. That shit, man.
Oh man, oh I love that man.
Believe it, 100.
Pastor Maso no kwan yenya ponkon
I said I believe that.
Believe it.
Believe that.
I say I said no kan. Me tell one bag of cement ah.
This ain't shit.
I say no e dey go ye kuni pa.
I love that.
When I belle pa. Me sure the ring no shena. Sure the before. Anya na.
Are you done?
The anya nda de ba.
More shit, 100. More shit, more shit.
Yeah man down. Remain there until 3 months and not 2 months.
2 months.
Until next 2 months, okay? If you are back and you are not here, maybe feel it's on go away. Then now. The one was said to Ebo Medo.
Give me shit. I want more shit.
Should I bat your head?
I want more shit, 100.
Belle, put me your case. Abua.
No responsive, man.
Can't do this shit. If it ain't in your case,